And getting in a video from Visakhapatnam where a YSRCP local leader can be seen thrashing toll plaza staff for asking to pay toll. According to Nakkapalli police, yesterday around 4:30 p.m., 3 people were returning to Visakhapatnam at Nakkapalli toll plaza. They attacked the toll plaza staff members after one of them asked them to pay the toll fee. The toll staff also suffered injuries. A case has now been registered against 3 of them. Aneri is joining us live with more details on the same. Aneri, we've seen this kind of VVIP racism before as well, wherein people, who enjoy a certain status refuse to pay toll at the toll plazas. But what really went wrong here? He is from the YSRCP. Any reactions you've picked up so far? Any action that has been taken apart from case being registered merely?
Well, Christine, when we speak about the incident which has taken place yesterday evening around 4:30 and later came to light today morning, well, now the incident which has taken place at Nakkapalli Toll Plaza in Visakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh, where the 3 members, the one person who attacked on the toll plaza staff is a local ZPTC member, and also at the same time we have been seeing that the toll plaza staff insisted him to pay the toll fees, but he refused, and later there was a heated argument which took place between the toll staff and also the 3 of the YSRCP leaders who were traveling in that particular car. But after we see that the local leaders attacked the toll staff, the injured people also received severe injuries on the head and also on the leg is what we are being learning. But also at the same time, now the police officials who got the information reached the spot immediately and brought the situation under control, and later police has registered a case against the 3 YSRCP leaders under various sections, and now the further investigation is going on. And however, the injured toll staff has been shifted to the local government hospital for treatment as they received injuries after there was a heated argument which took place. The YSRCP leaders attacked the local leaders who were traveling in that car, attacked on the toll staff as they insisted them to pay the toll fees at that particular toll plaza.
Yes, so once again, power being misused in a sense, or at least being taken advantage of, where we can see very, very clearly in these visuals, these CCTV visuals of how these leaders are thrashing the toll plaza staff only for asking them to pay the toll fee that everyone is supposed to. So yes, this is something that has now raised eyebrows and questions that must be answered, especially from the YSRCP, as to what action will they take against their representatives for going ahead with this kind of unacceptable behavior, thrashing a person who was merely doing his job. We have a BJP leader joining us on the phone line, I believe. If my producers can give me a confirmation on the same. Aneri, for the moment, continues to be with us. Aneri, what kind of reactions are coming in from other parties? I'll come back to you in just a bit. We have N. Ramchandra Rao, who is from the BJP, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Rao, what do you make of what you're seeing on your television screens? If you've gone through these CCTV visuals, we are being told these are leaders from the YSRCP.
Yes, ma'am.
And they thrashed, yes, they thrashed this toll plaza staff member only for doing his job. He was asking them for the toll plaza fee, but they ended up thrashing him.
That's right, ma'am. I think this is something, expression of the vulgar power, abuse of power. This is, I think, YSR party leaders and cadre are most interested in expressing and abusing power, and it is highly condemnable that such type of incident has taken place. It is not only in Visakhapatnam, also the ruling party cadre. I think they are committing such type of criminal offences in many parts. Instead of, their government is there, they have to bring good name to the government. Instead of working for the public, they are, they don't want to even pay the toll tax. What sort of abuse of power is it? So I think the roughing up of toll plaza staff is condemned, and YSR party should tame their workers to behave properly. Otherwise, it is not only now they have attacked TDP leaders, they have attacked other political party leaders. They are now attacking the officials of the Toll Plaza. So I think this is something expression of their abuse of power. I think this is highly condemnable.
Yes. Yes, and we'll try and pick up a reaction from the YSRCP as well, because answers must be given to this kind of an unacceptable behavior that we are seeing on our screens. Thank you, Mr. Ramchandra Rao, for speaking to us for the moment. Shifting focus to a quick eBix Cash News alert we're picking up.